Hey, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the best tools and tips for your digital life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future content. So today we are diving into the world of Obsidian, a powerful note-taking app that's perfect for knowledge management. But what really takes Obsidian to the next level are its plugins. So I'm going to share with you the top 5 plugins that every beginner should know about. First up, we have the Daily Notes plugin, which is basically your personal time capsule. The Daily Notes plugin is an essential tool for anyone looking to build a consistent journaling habit and organize their thoughts and tasks. With a single click, you can create a new note for the day, ready for you to fill with your ideas, tasks, and reflections. It's more than just a daily journal. The plugin can be configured to help you create weekly summaries, allowing you to review your accomplishments and set goals for the week ahead. It also enables you to craft monthly overviews, giving you a bird's eye view of your progress over time and helping you identify patterns in your work and personal life. The Daily Notes plugin is incredibly versatile, serving as a foundation for a variety of templates such as habit trackers, mood logs, or custom daily planners. It's a powerful ally in managing your time and staying organized. For beginners, the Daily Notes plugin is a must-have. It's a gateway to developing a disciplined approach to note-taking and knowledge management. By starting with a simple act of creating daily entries, you can gradually build a rich, interconnected web of notes that serves as a testament to your personal and professional growth. Embrace the Daily Notes plugin as your starting point in Obsidian and watch it transform your digital note-taking into a structured, reflective, and productive practice. Next up, we have Templater as number 2, which is basically the blueprint for efficiency. Templater is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their note-taking process in Obsidian. This plugin empowers you to create sophisticated templates for virtually any kind of note that you need. From daily logs and meeting minutes to project outlines and literature reviews, Templater ensures that you can quickly generate new notes with a consistent structure and format. One of the best reasons to incorporate Templater into your Obsidian toolkit is its ability to save you a significant amount of time. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you can have a predefined structure ready to go, allowing you to focus on the content rather than the setup. Templater also shines when it comes to customization. You can define your own variables and use built-in functions to insert dynamic content like dates, times, even command outputs. This means your templates can be as simple or as complex as you need them to be, adapting to your workflow and evolving with your projects. For beginners, Templater is an invaluable asset that teaches the importance of consistency and efficiency in knowledge management. It's not just about creating notes, it's about creating a system that works for you, saving you time and effort in the long run. By leveraging Templater, you're setting yourself up for success in Obsidian, ensuring that every new note is a step towards a more organized and productive digital environment. The third plugin on our list is the Text Generator plugin, a powerful ally in the realm of text automation. This plugin isn't just a tool, it's the cornerstone for text generation on a daily basis, transforming the way you interact with your notes. It's particularly close to our channel's heart, as a significant portion of our content is dedicated to creating templates and uncovering innovative use cases for text generation. With the Text Generator plugin, you can automate the creation of complex documents, generate content from simple prompts, and even construct entire templates with ease. It's like having a digital scribe at your command, ready to turn your ideas into structured text, saving you countless hours of typing and brainstorming. Imagine you're working on a project and need to create a series of similar notes. Instead of manually crafting each one, you can use the Text Generator plugin to produce them in seconds, each tailored to your specific needs. Or perhaps you're a writer looking for inspiration. The Text Generator plugin can provide you with creative prompts to kickstart your writing process. This plugin is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their productivity with Obsidian. It's especially useful for our community as it aligns perfectly with our ethos of leveraging technology to speed up and automate daily repetitive, mundane tasks. By integrating the text generator into your workflow, you're not just organizing your thoughts. you are supercharging your note-taking capabilities. Additionally, we have a plethora of custom-specific templates for the text generator plugin available exclusively on our Patreon. So if you're interested in taking your text automation to the next level, go ahead and give it a shot. You'll get access to those and many more resources, all while helping to support the SystemSculpt one-man channel. Coming in at number 4, second to last, we have Dataview. Dataview is your data, your way. For those who love data, Dataview is a game changer. This plugin transforms Obsidian into a powerful database where your notes become entries that you can query, filter, sort, and display in various formats. Whether you are a researcher, a student, or professional, Dataview can adapt to your workflow. With Dataview, you can create dynamic tables that automatically update as you add new notes or modify existing ones, generate task lists from your notes, filtering by due date, priority, or any custom property that you define. You can visualize relationships between notes with boards and graphs, making it easier to see how your ideas connect. You can also write complex queries to extract precise information from your knowledge base using Dataview's query language. It's incredibly powerful for project management, where you can track progress across multiple notes and tasks. Literature reviews become a breeze as you can compile and compare insights from various sources. For personal knowledge management, you can create dashboards that give you an overview of your notes by topic, date, or any other criteria you choose. Dataview is also extensible, allowing you to create custom JavaScript snippets to further tailor its functionality to your needs. This means that as you grow with Obsidian, Dataview grows with you, becoming an indispensable tool in your personal knowledge management arsenal. By organizing information dynamically, Dataview turns your Obsidian Vault into an interactive knowledge database tailored to your needs. And last but not least, we have number 5, Smart Connections, my personal favorite. This plugin is a must-have for any Obsidian user looking to maximize the potential of their knowledge base. Smart Connections analyzes your notes and intelligently suggests links to other notes, which can help you discover and forge meaningful connections between your ideas. It's like having an AI-powered assistant that helps you see the bigger picture by connecting the dots across your entire note collection. With Smart Connections, you're not just creating a collection of isolated notes, you're building a web of interlinked thoughts that can evolve into a comprehensive knowledge system. This plugin is particularly useful for beginners because it simplifies one of the most challenging aspects of knowledge management, understanding how different pieces of information relate to each other. By highlighting potential links, Smart Connections can help you develop a more nuanced understanding of your notes and ensure that no insight gets lost in the shuffle. And there you have it. The top 5 Obsidian plugins for beginners. These plugins will help you get the most out of your Obsidian and turn it into a central hub for your knowledge and productivity. Now, before you go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your digital life. And if you have any questions, or maybe you have some of your own favorite plugins you'd like to mention, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep sculpting.